Europe has 27 countries, different governments, different cultures, different economies. But behind the scenes, one country holds the most power: Germany. Germany is not just another European country, it is the economic engine of Europe. When Germany grows, Europe grows. When Germany struggles, Europe feels the pain. What makes this story unbelievable is that Germany was once completely destroyed. After World War II, its economy collapsed. Cities were reduced to rubble. Millions were left with nothing. But Germany rebuilt itself faster than anyone imagined. Through discipline, engineering, and industrial power, it became Europe's strongest economy. Germany's biggest weapon is industry. Companies like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, and Siemens sell products across the entire planet. German engineering became a global symbol of precision and quality. Germany exports massive amounts of cars, machines, chemicals, and technology. Entire European industries depend on German manufacturing. In many ways, Germany became the factory of Europe. But Germany's influence goes beyond factories. Germany is also the biggest financial power inside the European Union. Because it contributes so much money to the EU economy, its decisions shape Europe's future. From financial bailouts to economic policies, Germany often has the final voice. Some even believe Germany doesn't just lead Europe's economy, it controls it. Germany lost the war, but won the economy. And today, Europe may look united, but Germany remains the engine powering it all.